Only difference is they're rich, your girl's not.
I'll be on a budget until the day I die.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I'm showing you how to do a killer home decor sesh thing flower arrangement. So I got inspired by none other than the Kardashians. They get on my nerves, but at the same time I think their interior design is so beautiful. I love that they constantly are surrounded by bouquets of beautiful fresh flowers. I love the gorgeous flower wall that Kim had at her wedding with Kanye a few years ago, and the cherry blossom room that she recently had for her baby shower. I just got so much inspo from it, and I was like, you know what? Now that I'm living on my own and I can decorate my apartment the way that I want to, create these beautiful flower arrangements that could stay year-round in my kitchen, in my restroom, in my bedroom, and I won't have to worry about giving it sunlight, giving it water, giving it attention, having to dispose of their dead bodies
To the day I die.
So if you want to see how I created this, then please keep watching. Oh, for the sake of the video, I had to do it. So those are carnations, peonies, white roses, and I have no idea what those are. You're also going to need some scissors, some candles, E6000 glue, a long vase, and make sure that you have some flower foam. As you can see, I have the black one and mine is already inside. So here I'm showing you to cut about 3 inches long, and I'm showing you my personal technique for cutting the wire with a scissor because I don't have a wire cutter and it's so annoying. So if you have one, make sure to use it because it's a lot easier. If not, just bend the flower wherever you want to cut it, insert the scissor, and snap it off. Alright, so now that you have a million flowers, you can begin inserting them into the foam. So my personal technique was using this unknown flower name and just putting it towards the outside border. But then later on, as you can see in this video, you know, I start moving things around, and that's the beauty in flower arrangements, is that you're consistently arranging them to whatever is aesthetically pleasing to you. And also, beauty's in the eye of the beholder, so maybe you don't like that unknown flower at the edge. You do you, boo-boo, you do you. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm starting to create the letter. My letter is the first letter of my name, of course. Now, if this is a gift, then do the person's first letter of their name. But either way, guys, bring out your rulers and use it because I have no idea what was going on here. I don't recommend using the candle package at all. But honestly, either way, it doesn't matter because once you use your X-Acto knife, you'll be super precise in your cutting, and when you add the flowers, it's really gonna hide the entire poster board anyway. So even if you have some imperfections, it doesn't matter. So here I'm just poking holes with my X-Acto knife and adding about a millimeter's worth of the stem into it. So whereas in the other one we had about 3 inches worth of the stem, in this case you're gonna pretty much want to cut off most of the stem, just leave a little bit so that you can poke it through the cardboard. Now, I personally didn't need any glue for this, but you may want to add some glue just to have some extra security. But yeah, guys, that's it. This is the final look. It is super beautiful and gorgeous and so glamorous, and again, so cheap.
I'll be on a budget until the day I die.
Woo! Yup. This is the real mess, guys.